Press the bell icon to get our new videos.
Hi everyone, I am Anil Nahate, continuing part 2 Introduction to Calligraphy. Last time I have promised you to show and explain about various tools and their surfaces. So here I am to express various tools and surfaces. In first part, Introduction to Calligraphy, we have seen that there are various ancient tools and their results on various surfaces. And what is calligraphy? What are the different types of calligraphy? And in that, which country, how they write, which angle they apply from top to bottom. Some people write from left to right, some people write from right to left. So these are the variety of writing calligraphy and using different tools. So I'm introducing first Boru, which is called in English a reed pen. This is called a reed pen. The reed pens are very ancient tools. Still we are using in this modern days. Egyptians have started to write with this tool. This is called reed pen. So basically Devanagari script and Roman script we used to write with the help of these tools, and this is the result of reed pen. Secondly, we have wooden calligraphy tools. This is also available in two parts. One is Devanagari and another is Roman. So this is Devanagari and this is Roman. What are the difference between Devanagari tool and Roman tools? Devanagari tool has got a slant cut, you can see over here, and Roman tools has got a flat tool, you can see in the camera. So this is the difference between Devanagari and Roman tools, and the result of Roman metal nib tool is in front of you, you can see. After that, this is a self-made tool which I have created with the help of old used vestige pencil. I have I have fixed one cotton on the tip of the pencil, and this cotton is wrapped with the help of masking tape, and the results are in front of you. Another tool which I am going to share with you, this is a flat brush tool, written calligraphy, and this paper is called gateway paper, tracing paper, which we always use for tracing, and this paper is very smooth, that's why brush is very convenient to write. So calligraphy. After that I am introducing a very special tool. This is called special tool because it has made by metal nib. You can see on YouTube channel there are various materials is used to create this kind of calligraphy tools. Some people use to create such kind of tools using vestige of can, soft drink can, Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, and beer bottles, beer cans. So these are the vestige parts. So using that part of metal, they can create such kind of tools. You can easily watch on YouTube. So the result of this tool is this one, a very special thick and thin, and the texture is also different. After that, this is written by flat calligraphy tool, this one. and calligraphy, same word and same paper, and see the result. Only angle is maintained, right side 45 degree. Another tool I am going to share with you, introduce with you. This is called a special line tool. You can write any words like birthday, happy birthday, all the best, best of luck, new housewarming, wedding cards. You can design with this. You can write beautiful thought messages. So to show the result of this such kind of tools, I can show you this calligraphy is written with this tool. You can see negative and positive space over here. Later on, I would like to share with you. This is a Japanese sketch pen. This is a Japanese sketch pen, and this is written by me. With the help of this pen only, my name is written. And you are getting three different point size in this pack. One is 1 point, second one is 2 point, and third one is 3 point. And this is written with the help of 3 point size nib. This is the result. Calligraphy with this pen. Later on, this is written with the help of a round brush. Can you see here? This is a round brush, and I have used over here the tip of the brush and side of the brush. You get thin and thick result with the help of using this brush. That's why the results are like this. Calligraphy. How nice, how beautiful. This kind of variation you will not get anywhere. You had to find out for the different types of brushes, different types of calligraphy tools, because no one can say that which kind of word you are going to write, and that time it won't be possible that this tool ready made present at your box, in your box. So every day you had to do experiments with the tools. You had to keep writing on the different papers, different surfaces. You will get the different results. Similarly, this is a linear pen tool. I will show you over here. This is that tool, and this is the result. This is one different type of pattern which I have tried to create. Maybe you can say this is a pattern. You can say someone is sure. You can say this looks like a snake also. So whatever you may create, you have to play with the tools. After that, this is something different. No one can guess which tool may I use for this. Anyone guess? It's looking like I have used this flat brush, but no, I didn't use this brush for to write this. I have used this corrugated paper. Corrugated paper मराठीमध्ये आपण याला म्हणतो ब्राउन बॉक्स पॅकिंग पेपर, त्याने हा लिहिलेला आहे. तर तुम्ही इमॅजिन पण करू शकणार नाही की अशा टाईपचे तुटलेले वेस्टेज पेपर सुद्धा आपण लिहायसाठी वापरू शकतो. This is the combination of two different tools. This tool is used to write C over here. You can see the negative and positive space, and at the back side of my backdrop you can see a green backdrop. This is done with the help of this tool. Can you see this, all these green circles? This is done by this tool, and this was the ready-made tool, this metal nib and this wooden holder. But this wrapping which I have done from my side, soft sponge paper, and I have tied with the thread to get this negative and positive space, something different result. Because one calligraphist always tried to create something different with the help of different tools, and we must keep it doing this kind of practice, because if you are sticking on the same older tools, you will not progress. Another tool is based on Devanagari angle, because this is a flat cut. You can write Devanagari also, Roman also, and all Indian scripts. Like these are the different Indian scripts. You can see at backside also. This is Odia script. This is Gurumukhi script. This is Tamil, and it is Malayalam script. This is Bengali script. This is Gujarati script, Devanagari script, then Nastaliq Urdu. So all these you can write with this flat tool. So this is the advantage, and this we come to know when we tried and experiment while writing. Another tool, this tool are very older. This is I think 5 to 10 years back has been introduced, but fluency of ink, there is a container, there is a soft brush. It is available in three different sizes. In round brush, this is round brush, sorry, this is flat brush. It has got a small point. There are two more point size available in the market, and this is a round brush. It has got a sharp point and side. You can use thick and thin, pressing some little pressure on it, you will get a different results. And these are our regular fountain pens, and it has got a cut nib inserted already. That's why it has got calligraphy cut nib pens. The advantage of this pen is it has got a fluency of ink. You don't have to dip in style, right? Because it has got a cartridge inside. You can pour ink and you can start writing. This is an Indian made pen. This is Indian made pen. Devanagari and Roman both I have. Both are available in the market. This is a Shepherd's pen. The cost of this pen is 400 to 400, 500 rupees. And this is Indian pen, Devanagari Cutney. So these are the various tools available in the market. There are more tools I wanted to show, but these are the sufficient tools which I have shown right now. One yeah, one message I would like to give you, that the reason why so many calligraphy tools are available in the market, and why calligraphers has created such different tools, there is a reason behind it. Because there is a lot of competition in the market, especially in the print media. Because in advertisement, you must have seen, to attract the audience, to attract the viewers, you must have to create something different, so that viewers viewers must attract to your advertisement. You must be knowing that there are various elements and styles to attract the uh, viewers, such kind like colors, different styles of writing, bold, eye catchy. Using this kind of tools, this is possible, because people are getting bored with the same font, using same fonts, same styles of fonts since from 19th century. So it is about 100 years back we are looking at the same font. That's why calligraphy has got something special, something different style of writing to attract the viewers. So this is the strongest message which I wanted to give you, and I have completed my part 2, introduction to calligraphy. I know if you like this video, you can click on like, and if you want to give some suggestions, you can write on this chat box, and please share your thoughts, your views, and enhance the beauty of calligraphy. Thank you.